Ooh, what a long day. So when you're going hiking, you want to take maybe a bag with you. So lately I've been doing a lot of content creating, going outdoors, walking, and I don't like to carry a lot of stuff with me, but I do carry some essentials all the time. So I'm gonna show you something that's really unique and really exciting. So let me show you. So first of all, I'm gonna turn around. You guys can see it's like a turtle bag almost. It's small. All right, but I'm gonna show you secrets on this that you can do. So let me open it up so you guys can see all the stuff that you can fit on it. All right, so on your next hike, you want to take your extra water, or if you live in a climate that is rain, look at this. Sweater fits in there, the whole thing. You got plenty of space for multiple things. So in fact, I brought this tripod and this camera that we have currently in here, so I don't have to carry extra equipment. Now, the best thing about it is that this thing is very durable. All right, so it has reflectors, so you're walking or hiking at night, you can see the reflectors of the actual logo. And let me close it up so you guys can see a little bit better, because I'm gonna show you a little secret that you don't have to actually worry about space. So this whole thing is very compact, and the way it works, you just take out all the air. This little saddle here that we have in the corner is where you fit the entire bag in here, if you guys can see that. So we're gonna fit this whole bag, this entire bag in here. So let me do that. Look at that. That was the actual bag, entire bag. So if you're making excuses about space and you're traveling and you want to carry something, this is a good traveling bag. Very compact, convenient, and durable. Also, if it rains, it's okay. It'll keep your things wet free in here, because it is also made of material with polyester and other stuff. Makes it nice and light, really light. You got extra pockets on the outside, so if you have a water bottle, you can put it here. And of course, I like the mesh that it comes with. Very convenient, easy to use. All right, so if you're ever gonna go to a pool party, you want to carry all your clothes, all your stuff with you, this bag is perfect for those kind of scenarios too. Also, instead of just hiking and walking with it, you could fill it up with as much as things as you can. So here we have our actually towel, a couple shirts, my underwear, which I'm not going to show you, and then also my shorts. Fit as much as you can. Top goes back in there. Everything's nice and tucked. And all you got to do is set it up. Go to your pool party, your events, your hiking.